Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the data spike in Outlaws. First, let's understand what this essential tool does. The data spike is your primary hacking device, designed to give you a significant advantage in various scenarios. It allows you to disable enemy turrets, open secure access points, and even temporarily stun adversaries. This versatile gadget is key to navigating complex environments and overcoming heavily fortified positions, making your missions much smoother and more efficient. We'll cover its acquisition and deployment next. To begin using the data spike, you first need to ensure it's properly equipped. Most operatives receive this tool during the initial training phase, so it should already be in your inventory. Navigate to your gear menu, select the data spike, and assign it to one of your 4 quick access slots. This ensures you can deploy it rapidly during critical moments. Remember, a well-placed data spike can turn the tide of an encounter, so having it ready at a moment's notice is absolutely vital for success. Now, let's talk about deploying the data spike effectively. Once equipped, select it using your assigned quick slot button. Aim your reticle at the desired target, whether it's a security camera, an enemy's personal device, or a locked door. A green indicator confirms the target is within the data spike's 20-meter operational range. Press the activation button and watch as the system is compromised. Be mindful of the brief cooldown period, usually around 5 seconds, before you can use it again. Timing is everything for optimal results. For advanced users, the data spike offers more than just simple hacks. Consider using it to create strategic diversions. Disabling a distant light panel might draw a guard away from your intended path. You can also chain its effects, quickly disabling 2 or 3 targets if they are close enough and your cooldown allows. Always prioritize high-value targets, such as heavily armored enemies or critical security systems, to maximize your impact. Mastering these techniques will allow you to navigate even the most challenging scenarios with unparalleled efficiency and precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.